Eighth step, right concentration. What now is right concentration? Fixing the mind to a single object, one-pointedness of mind. This is concentration. The four fundamentals of attentiveness, seventh step. These are the objects of concentration. The four great efforts, sixth step. These are the requisites of concentration. The practicing, developing, and cultivating of these things. This is the development of concentration. Right concentration has 2 degrees of development. Neighborhood concentration, which approaches the first trance without, however, attaining to it. Well, if you scry and meditate and stuff, you can get to the point where you're in a trance in this space, and then it becomes the whole environment. You know what I mean? You know, like the space you're staring at or the space that you're doing the ritual in, but then it extends to your awareness of our processing of the rest of the things. Attainment concentration, which is the concentration present in the 4 trances. The attainment of the trances, however, is not a requisite for the realization of the 4 ultra-mundane paths of holiness, and neither neighborhood concentration nor attainment concentration as such in any way possesses the power of conferring entry into the 4 ultra-mundane paths. Hence, in them is really no power to free oneself permanently from evil things. The realization of the 4 ultra-mundane paths is possible only at the moment of insight into the impermanency, miserable nature, and impersonality, a phenomenal process of existence. This insight is attainable only during neighborhood concentration, not during attainment concentration. See, your different types, they don't always completely overlap. He who has realized one or other of the 4 ultramundane paths without ever having attained the trances is called a dry visioned one, or one whose passions are dried up by insight. He, however, who after cultivating the trances has reached one of the ultra-mundane paths is called one who's taken tranquility as his vehicle. Now, as opposed to what we hear about the New Agers and stuff, peace and all that sort of stuff, and tranquility and all that, that's lower vibrational stuff. I'm talking hertz. I'm not talking any, whatever they decide they like is high vibration, what they decide they don't like is low vibration. It doesn't work that way. It makes you an incoherent, crazy person if you pull that, start doing this.